Hey, what's up you guys? It is Josie Bun back with a really quick, comfy spring outfits video that I wanted to share with you guys. This first outfit is so cute and so comfortable, just the absolute essence of what I wanted this video to be about. These are a pair of Tommy Hilfiger leather high top sneakers. I love these. They go with the black and white theme. They add a little edge to them, and they are 100% thrifted, which is obviously great and sort of my motto. This is a men's size small Hanes black tee. I got this from Target in obviously the men's section. I really love the Hanes tee with these circle necklines. I don't know, I just think they're more flattering than a v-neck on me. I really like the circle neckline. I think they are more trendy and just kind of more on point at the moment. And then these trousers are gorgeous. These are black and white gingham trousers in a size 8. These are from the Gap. I got these in like 2020, so these might still be something that they carry something similar of. Obviously, I will have similar items to the things that I'm wearing linked if I cannot find the exact thing. I just really like this outfit. I think it is obviously super comfortable. It's basically an elevated jeans and a t-shirt with sneakers, just playing with some pattern, some texture with the leather, and obviously just kind of edging it up a little bit with some of that leather and the gingham. I really love how springy it is, how comfortable it is, and how fun it looks. This next outfit is probably my favorite in the whole video. This outfit is gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning. It is everything that I want my spring and summer to be made out of. Linen, cotton, gorgeous, deep brown tones. I love this. So this little pink bag I think complements the browns really well. This is a faux croc embossed bag. This is from the Dreamers brand. I've paired that with this really nice linen animal print blouse. It was thrifted, but it's originally from Jones, New York. I absolutely love this. This looks so incredibly high-end. I'm obsessed with it. It is so light and breezy and stunningly beautiful. I mean, just look at it. It photographs and videos so well. It looks gorgeous in person as well. Like, I just love this. It's very comfortable for those humid Midwestern summers that we have here. I absolutely love stacking gold jewelry with this, and I think it looks so cute with these little vintage gold clip-on earrings that I have on, and it's just such a stunning piece to have in my collection. I love a good animal print, and I think it's very classic and sort of a little bit sophisticated, but also a little bit trendy. It kind of fits in to multiple avenues of style. And I've paired that with these camel paper bag trousers from the brand Lulu's. Again, I got these in like 2017 when I worked in an office, so I will have to link something similar because I'm absolutely positive the brand doesn't carry these exact pants anymore, but they are so gorgeous. They hit me at just the right length to show off these brown chunky block heels, and these have a gold chain detailing. These are originally from Forever 21. These were recently on clearance for I think like $10 to $15, so I definitely didn't mind picking up these because I love a good deal on a shoe, especially one that is a little trendier, a little more modern, something not so classic that I don't know if I'm going to have it forever, but I just absolutely loved it. And again, brown and pink are just such a gorgeous color combination. Definitely recommend for spring and summer. This third outfit, again, is like absolutely gorgeous and incorporates my favorite material in the world, which is, you guessed it, linen. So I got these linen trousers. These are thrifted. They are this gorgeous, like cream, like warm white cream trouser. I absolutely love these. The fit is really good. The pockets are gorgeous. And this Jones, New York leaf print button up. This is also thrifted. This is from a consignment store. It's a couple sizes too big for me, so I usually use this as a pool cover up. I got this so many years ago in high school when I happened to be plus sized, and I've just absolutely loved the print ever since, so I've kept it this whole time. And now I just tie it around the waist for a more cinched in look, but I absolutely love how summery these sleeve looks, being so oversized and cuffed. I thought that was gorgeous. And obviously with all these warm whites, I paired this with the Caleb cream chunky booty from Steve Madden. Absolutely obsessed with this. I am definitely bringing this into spring and summer as well. And this little cream bag that I thrifted and painted, if you checked out that DIY video, it'll be linked in the cards as well as in the description. This bag was originally from Lord & Taylor, and it was this awful yellow color, so I made it this gorgeous creamy beige, and I think it just goes so well with this whole outfit. It just screams spring and summer, and I absolutely am obsessed. Outfit 4 is a little more similar, and I absolutely love it. Obviously, of course. I love this little green. Nothing in this shot is green, Josie. I absolutely love the cream beige mini cardigan from Forever 21. Again, this is from like last year, I believe. So gorgeous. Paired that with this little pinkish pearlescent and gold choker necklace. This is vintage. That was an inherited item. Little hand-me-down action, and I thought this would look so cute tied up around the shoulder. I've got this ribbed mauve cropped tank from the brand Dry Goods on underneath the cropped the cropped cardigan. God, I can't talk today, you guys, and I'm only shooting this once. Also paired that with this gorgeous slip skirt. This is obviously thrifted, as all my slip skirts are, and my classic Clark's leather booties. Again, a gorgeous thrift find that I was so excited about. I am literally always shooting in these boots. These are so comfortable, and this skirt is just gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So comfortable, perfect for spring and summer. You don't really want to have to think about what you're putting on. It's just such a fun and nice item to have in your closet. It's long, but it's got the slit for a little bit of visual interest and also a little bit of aeration, and it just looks really nice with anything that you put it with. It sort of elevates it. So definitely a winner in my book for the spring season. Super excited. Watch me do a little jig about it. Am I singing along to Numb Little Bug? Yeah, it's a great song. You should look it up if you have not already heard it. The last outfit, outfit number 5, is one of my favorites as well. I really actually quite love this, even though it is rather simple. Some things are basic and popular for a reason, and it's because they really work. So as you can see, I have paired every single outfit with these cute little gold earrings, and I've also got this vintage Guess watch and this sand dollar bracelet. Both of these items were thrifted, no more than $5 each. These are gorgeous. I absolutely love them. They really sort of elevate this outfit a little more. I've also got these Madewell color blocked high top sneakers in a size 8, men's size 6, because I believe they do non-gendered shoes, which is great. I love these. They are gray, cream, navy blue on the back, and brown. So they really go with a lot of different color palettes, and I just love how they paired with this beige denim jacket from Ozzo, the Style Collection. This is a jacket from the 90s. It was thrifted, came with a matching pair of denim pants, and I love the little buckles and button details on this jacket. It's just so cute. I mean, look at it. That is gorgeous. It's so trendy, but at the same time, it's very classic in shape, style, and color. Then I've paired that with my black mesh leggings. I like how the mesh detail sort of highlights that this is for spring, so the weather is warming up, but it's still pretty chilly, which is why I paired this jacket over top of my white sleeveless ribbed mock neck from Soho Apparel. This was a Marshall's find pretty recently, and I like to do a mixture of thrifted as well as off-the-rack clothing, so that if I can find something similar online, which is more, common with off-the-rack clothing, I am able to do that for you guys. So I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and stay well until next time. Bye!